What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Team Karate Punisher Louie Fix-It light kit that he installed for me, and it looks awesome. Yeah, starting off with the outside, like he 3D printed the light housing for it. He 3D printed the lenses, as you can see right here. He 3D printed all this. This one is he put a carbon fiber wrap on there. Yeah, this is all 3D printed. Just to let you see, made it nice little yellowish to go with the Punisher theme here, like that. Then underneath you have the underglows on both sides. Then you also have the wiring, and I like how he do his wiring. It's very clean. Yeah, what I also like about this light kit, because he had this little connector here. See that little connector there? You mount it somewhere in your body. I don't remember exactly where I put it at, but it'll find itself. And bang, there go the underglows. Whoa, that's a fan right there though. See how the underglows look? Put the body down. Very easy install. Boom. You got white in the front and red in the back. Yeah, man, this is an awesome little kit right here. Louie Fix-It. I'm gonna leave his link to the store where you can buy the lights, and I'm also going to leave you the link to his YouTube channel, because he can show you all types of lights he has. He also shows you how to install the lights, and it's very simple, and he got a clean way of doing it. Like, he wire it up. Like the rest of these light kits don't give you, they give you the light kit, half of them don't even tell you how to install it. But all you get is the wiring hat most of the time, and then what he does, he has it so it'll be a clean look about it. Makes it very easy. Look, bang, take it right back, take it off. You ain't gotta worry about playing with wires. Yeah, I usually don't highly recommend things to people, but I highly recommend, if you like lights, talk to your boy Louie Fix-It. He got you. Come kick it with Louie Fix-It. Yeah, it gave my Punisher that extra look at me. Like that, this light kills me. That's very clever. It was very clever. But what I'm gonna do right now, I'm going to throw some batteries in there, and I'm gonna give y'all a night run.
Ready.
Got him out now. People tend to speed up when they see me in the street with these cars. Yo, Lou, you did your thing, man. And that connector is the truth right there. Like, you don't have to worry about plugging it in and out. The connector is like almost automatic. It's a magnet, so what it does is catches onto the base of it, and the lights come on. And also, it comes with a switch in the back. Yeah, man, I highly recommend these lights. Yeah, I had a bunch of footage and didn't record anything. Make sure I got this drive-by. Yo, Lou, this light kit is off the charts, dog. I'm telling you, this should be the next best-selling light kit on there. Boom. Yeah, he got the diffs are real loose in this car too. That's why I'm doing so much sliding. See, it slides right around. LBC. Oh God, I'm a little ways from home. I hope I don't have to carry this. Yeah, man, I went to LBC, so my battery's dead, but yo, these lights are awesome. Lou Fix, I got like to give Lou Fix it a shout out for hooking me up with this light kit. I'm gonna put his link in the description below where you can check his channel out and check out where you can pick up these lights. Yeah, one last overlook. Yo, these things are awesome. Well, these flashing red lights was already on there, but you know, oh, that's good stuff right there. Underglows, all Lou Fix It. But I hope you enjoyed that video. More coming soon. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.